Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an at-home facial kit from the brand called Cosmetofood. This is their chamomile calming skin nutrition facial kit. This is for normal to sensitive skin. So, I'm someone who used to get regular facials done. I mean, not that regular, but at least before some occasion where I wanted my skin to look really nice, I used to go to a salon and get it done. But ever since the pandemic hit, I don't do that. But if we don't really have anyone to do it for us, might as well do it ourselves. And it's very nice when it is this easy with this kind of a facial kit, which explains it to you step by step what goes where, what you can do. So they mention to you what goes first. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the order that you would probably follow. Of course, we have a number 1 as well, and this is a micellar water with which you should start off. And so today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys step by step through this kit, and let's do it on camera. First up, I'm going to be taking off all of this makeup that I have on my face with their Skin Activator Organic Micellar Water. So this is something that you can use with a cotton round, or if you have any reusable makeup cloth. Mine is extremely dirty right now, so I am sticking to this. But I usually use my reusable makeup cloth, which is right here. Extremely messy. So let's take this off. Now, salon facials are really expensive, but this entire set is for 300 rupees. You get a couple of uses out of them as well, and you can use it on yourself or anyone else at home, like if you want to do it for somebody else as well. And they do have different sizes, so you can pick and choose the ones you want. You can pick and choose the kind of kit you want to pick up. I picked up the chamomile variant. They do have a couple of other variants as well. And I really like this micellar water. It actually did take off all of my makeup. That is really good. And I am using this around my eye. It's not stinging or burning. So yeah, it's good. So the micellar water did take off all of my makeup, and I just used one cotton round. So that is pretty good. And it is quite effective. It's taken off everything from my face. Let's move on to the next step. That is number 2. It is chamomile and cucumber hydrating cleanser. So it's mentioned that you can use this to cleanse your face. You can use it for 5 minutes, but I would just use it for less than a minute. It says that it's a food-based formula that cleanses deeply, removing excess dirt and pollution. It cleans the skin and leaves skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. It's a nice creamy cleanser, and it does contain sort of very mild fragrance to it, and it's kind of calming as well. Nothing that's overpowering and would give you a headache. So I'm going to be rinsing this off, and I will be back. So I did wash my face, and I feel like it's not dry or it's like stripping my skin of the moisture, and you do get another use out of this cleanser. It's not like completely used up. And then the next step that we're moving on to is the vitamin E enriched exfoliating olive face scrub. So they've asked to use this for 5 minutes. I have used this scrub before as well. The exfoliating beads are very different, something that I've not seen before. This is what the texture of the scrub looks like. It doesn't really feel like the physical scrub that you use with those scrub particles. It just feels like beads right here. I do feel like it's not tugging and pulling on your skin, but I'm not sure what it is doing because I'm used to like either a chemical exfoliant or physical exfoliants that have those tiny scrub particles. But I must say it does feel quite gentle on the skin. I wash my face again, and by the way, if you guys are like why I haven't addressed this, it's that time of the month. Anyways, let's move on to the next one that we have. This one is the dark chocolate mousse hydrating massage cream. So this massage cream is supposed to be applied in upward strokes for 15 to 20 minutes and wipe off with moist cotton. It contains mandarin orange extract, cucumber extract, a bunch of humectants, and some emollients as well. It's said that you have to use this for 25 minutes, which you can do when you have a lot of time at home. I would do it for longer if I could. It's very nice, soothing, calming. It actually feels really nice and relaxing. But we don't have that kind of time, so I'm going to be wiping this away in just a bit. Next up, we have quinoa and blueberry yogurt hydrating facial mask. It is suggested that you keep this on for 20 minutes, and I'm going to be doing that off camera. It says to apply a generous layer on your face and neck. I'm going to be keeping this on for 20 minutes and I will be back after that. So once you keep the mask on for 20 minutes, it would sort of dry down a little bit. So when you're going to wash it, wet your skin and then wash it off or wipe it away. So this is how my face looks with the mask. You can see it does give a little bit of a brightening effect to your skin. Skin looks a lot more clean and fresh. So next up we have the step number 6, that is an eye mask. And this again, you can use it like when you're using that, I think you can use this simultaneously underneath your eye and keep this for again the same amount of time if you have time constraints. And this one is the Pro Collagen Quinoa Eye Treatment. Now you can apply this liberally on your under eye area, avoiding the waterline. So now with the eye mask off, let's move on to the last step that we have. This is the Almond Latte Brightening Serum. It is sort of like a clear serum. And we're going to apply this to the face and neck in upward strokes. This is how it looks like once I've applied the serum. It's nice and glowy looking. So it's like salon-like facial at home. I'm pretty sure that's the tagline for some brand. I can't remember. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Those were pretty much all the steps. I will leave all the links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You can choose the variant you would want to, like I mentioned earlier on in the video as well. This is a very easy facial that you can do at home right before any sort of event that you have. So I would recommend using this about a day or two prior to any event that you want to attend and you want to use this facial kit, because I feel like that's when you can actually see the result the most. So you can use this for 2 people if you get like 1 facial kit. Of course, if you want to use it on more people, you have to probably size it up and get the other size. So yeah, I really like this and how my skin is feeling right now. So let me know what you think about this product. Let me know if you are a facial person, if it is something that you do on a regular basis, if it is something that you like to do at home. Let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.